Well, so we will now talk about how to transform from simple to complex. So you must remember one thing, that what you're talking about today, simple, compound, complex, these are types of sentence according to structure. We find five other types of sentences like assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory. These are actually types of sentence based on meaning, but here we are dealing with sentence based on structure. So as they deal with structure, so we to go through multiple rules to transform them from one sentence to another. So today we'll discuss, or we'll talk about how to change, how to transform from simple to complex. So if we go through the rules how to change from simple to complex, that bit will be able to do the opposite things or vice versa, like complex to simple means it is very simple. If you're able to come school from home, same case you'll be able to go home from school also, because you know the rules, or you know the way to come to school from home or home to school. So here also, if you know how to change from simple to complex, then you will be able to change complex to simple also. Well, so let's go through the rules. What does the rule say? First rule, it says if there's an extra phrase in the simple sentence, expand the phrase to make a clause. So then choose the suitable connectors to connect the clause. So if you find an extra phrase in simple sentence, then you to expand this, extend korte hobe. And how to extend this? You to pick a suitable connectors to connect the clause. Understand? So as we learned earlier, then whenever we to construct any complex sentence, that bottom we to add or we to use connectors or linkers. So conjunction we say. So here it is said that if you find an extra phrase in any sentence, that bottom in simple sentence, if you want to change it or transform it to complex sentence, that bottom you to expand this. And how you will expand this? You to pick a connector, suitable connector that goes with the sentence structure. So we see an example. Seeing the teacher, the students stopped making noise. So it's a simple sentence. So can you guess what could be the complex of it? Yes, we know this. You can do you can pick 2 or 3 clauses, connectors here, that goes. One person may pick whatever he or she wishes. So what can be this? Let's see. So here we see that as the students saw the teacher, they stopped making noise. Since the students saw the teacher, they stopped making noise. The students stopped making noise when they saw the teacher. So 2 clauses there, and here we actually connected the clause using as, since, when. These 3 connectors go with the structure, so but their meaning also remains same. So that's why I say that it varies with person to person. But whatever, it doesn't mean that you can take anything whatever you prefer, but it should go with the meaning or sentence structure. So seeing the teacher, the students, they stopped making noise. Here we can transform it to complex as the students saw the teacher, they stopped making noise. Since the students saw the teacher, they stopped making noise. The students stopped making noise when they saw the teacher. The connectors you can take to expand simple sentence and transform into complex sentence. So rule 1 simply says that if you find any extra phrase in simple sentence, expand this. And how to expand this? You to pick connectors, suitable connectors, or that goes with sentence structure or sentence meaning or sentence philosophy or vibes. That's all about rule 1. Hopefully you got it. Now let's discuss rule 2. And if there is no extra phrase in the simple sentence, there become what to do. That bit you have to find a word which you can export into a clause. The word can be an adjective, noun, or adverb. That bit you have to import. You have to import a word through which you can export the clause. So it can be adjective, it can be noun, it can be adverb. So earlier sentence we found that extra phrase. If we find extra phrase, that bit what to do. And here we found that if we do not find any extra phrase, that bit what to do. In this case, there you were suggested to expand this, but here you will do expand, but you have to pick a word for this. So it can be adjective, it can be noun, it can be adverb, it can be relative pronoun to whatever. So that it says he pleaded for his innocence. So that bit we pick that in the middle. He pleaded that he was innocent. And Murphy knows Mr. Rashid. And here we took who. Murphy knows who Mr. Rashid is. He admitted his guilt. He admitted that he was guilty. So the words there, that who, that, we took this to expand the simple sentence and transform into complex sentence. So these two rules gone. One is, if you find extra phrase, that bit time you to expand this and you to pick connectors, then transform into complex. And if you do not find any extra phrase, that bit time you to pick what to expand the clause, so expand into a clause. What can be noun, can be adverb, adjective, or adjective pronoun, whatever. Let's see what happens in rule 3. Rule 3 says, if you find because of in simple sentence, and whenever we to change it to complex, that be time we have to add because as since in the middle. So two clauses will be apart. In the middle we to take because as since. Because of means karone bojaye, so we to change it karon. So let's see the examples. I could not do it because of my illness. আমি এটা করতে পারিনি আমার অসুস্থতার জন্য. And complex sentence says, I could not do it because I was ill, or I could not do it as I was ill. I could not do it since I was ill. So very simple. If you find because of in simple sentence and you to change it to, whenever you to change it to complex sentence, that bit time you to take because as since in between the clauses, and two clauses will be there, and in the middle you will put these words, then you will find the complex sentence. So because of, it will be transformed clause, then because of, as since, then another clause, next clause. So these are also very simple. Hopefully you got it. Let's move to rule 4. What does it say? Rule 4 says, if you find indication of time, সময়ের কোনো ব্যাপার যদি থাকে, সময়ের কোনো সূচক যদি থাকে, that be time what to do. So at the time of, you find at the time of, that be time if you wanna change it to complex sentence, that be time you will take when, then clause, then when, then clause. So at the time of, simply as it deals with time, so we'll take a relative pronoun related to time, that when, যখন বোঝায়. So at the time of also time বোঝায়, যখন সময় বোঝায়. So we see an example here. At the time of my birth, my father was abroad. So it says, when I was born, my father was abroad. So just you to replace at the time of on when. And rule 5 says, in spite of, despite. So if you find in spite of, despite, what to do, that be time you will take though, although, then clause. So simply just remind the clue words. In spite of, despite will be there, so it will be changed to though, although. So we see some examples. First example, it says, in spite of being a good student, he could not do well in the exam. So as we found the word phrase in spite of, so we replace it taking although here, or though, although here. Although he is a good student, he could not do well in the exam. Just gone. Another one, despite being sick, Robin went to school. And complex sentence says, though Robin was sick, he went to school. So rule 5 actually is very simple. Just remind the clue words. In spite of, despite, it will be changed to though, although. So in spite of being a good student, he could not do well in the exam. And despite being sick, Robin went to school. Though Robin was sick, he went to school. So rule 5. Rule 4 says, if you find at the time of, means any time indication, that be time you will take when. And rule 5 says, if you find in spite of, despite, that be time, to change it to transform it to complex, you will take though, although, then clause, and next clause. That's all. That's very simple. Let's see what happens with rule 6. Keep listening. Rule 6 says, to ... adjective means to, that be time what will happen, you will take so ... that means to. Here there's a typing mistake. Next to will be or single o, means to. and you will change it so dot dot that, means so to adjective to, and so adjective that, and clause clause. In the middle you will do this. So if you see the example, it will be very clear to you. He is too weak to continue walking. He is so weak that he cannot walk. So very simple, to dot dot to, it will be changed to so dot dot that, means to dot dot to adjective to, so adjective that. He is too weak to continue walking. He is so weak that he cannot walk. This much. Well, next rule. We'll be done for today discussing these two rules. Rule 7 says if you find without plus verb ing, that be time you will take if, then clause, or unless then clause. So if you see the example here, without playing well we cannot win the match. So just we should take if, then clause, if we do not play well, negative meaning, that be time we cannot win the match, win this match. Another way you can solve it, we cannot win this match unless we play well. So simply you remember, if you find without plus verb ing, then if plus negative clause, then or unless plus clause. And last one, it says to, or in order to, it will be changed to so dot dot that he works hard to attain success. So to change it to complex, we will take he works hard so that he can attain success. So last two rules simply says if you find without plus verb ing, that be time if plus negative clause, or unless plus clause. Along with this you can do another one, by plus ing, that be time if plus positive clause. We learned it earlier, we will do in next class hopefully. And rule 8 says if you find two in order to, that be time you will take so that, then if so that follows can or could. So he works hard to attain success, he works hard so that he can attain success. So that's all for today. Keep fine. Next class we'll do some exercise with this, or we'll change, we'll talk about how to change from simple to complex.